So I came up with this idea for a steam engine when I saw this Meccano gear here for sale on eBay, and I thought, well, I need to make a steam engine that incorporates that somehow, and I'd wanted to make a twin pillar model steam engine for some time, so I came up with this design. So obviously we've got the gear here on the other end of the shaft of the flywheel, which runs on the inside of this gear, and then two other Meccano gears here which run on the outside of this gear. Got a little adjuster valve here, which to be honest I just tend to leave open. So to oil it, what I thought would be a good idea is to drill holes down to all the way down through here to where the shaft goes through, and use this little sort of decorative ball bearing on the top as just like a cap for doing that. So we'll just put him back in, another bit of oil, and the same with these. So grip in there. And grip in there, obviously in the cylinders. And the cylinders where they slide on the pillars, and all the other places, including the gear, of course. So it's got quite a nice action to it, this machine. So we'll stick some air onto it, switch the air on. So it will run really slow. It's a little bit noisy because the Meccano gears aren't made terribly accurately. So I had to put quite a lot of clearance or backlash in the gears so they didn't bind, which has made it a little bit noisy. So it will go a lot faster if I give it max pressure. But for me really it's about watching them run slow. So I'm just adjusting the pressure by putting my thumb over the end of this tube. So I'm uploading some other videos at the moment of other steam engines I've made, so have a look, check them out, subscribe, do things like that.